Hey there, entrepreneurs and future business moguls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about turning your dreams into a reality: how to start a franchise business. A comprehensive guide for aspiring entrepreneurs. Whether you're taking your first step into the world of business or you're a seasoned pro looking to expand your horizons, this video is your one-stop shop for all things franchise. So grab your notepads, because we're about to unpack the essentials of franchise success. Unveiling the franchise magic. Alright, let's kick things off by demystifying the term franchise business. Imagine it as a tried and tested recipe for success. You, the franchisee, get the chance to run a business under an established brand's umbrella, the franchisor. Think of it as a partnership where you benefit from their experience, systems, and support. But hey, it's not all sunshine. There are costs and challenges along the way. The research roadmap. Before you leap into the franchise world, let's talk about research. It's your compass, guiding you through uncharted territory. Dive deep into understanding your market, the local audience, competitors, and trends. Imagine it as scouting the battlefield before going into battle. Trust us, this groundwork will save you from potential pitfalls and help you make informed decisions. Finding your franchise match. Now, let's talk about matchmaking, but for businesses. Choosing the right franchise is like finding your soulmate. It's got to be a perfect fit. Are you into food, services, or maybe something you can manage from home? Consider what you're passionate about and what aligns with your skills. Oh, and here's a golden rule: investigate the franchisor's reputation and support before you commit. Financing your franchise dream. Alright, money matters. You've got the dream, but how do you fund it? Enter financing options. We're talking loans, traditional, SBA, or even crowdfunding. The catch? You need a solid business plan that tells lenders why your franchise is the next big thing. Think of it as your elevator pitch to win their trust. Navigating the legal terrain, legal paperwork, the not-so-fun part. Franchise agreements, licenses, permits. They're like the backstage pass to your business journey. Consider them the rules of the game. And speaking of games, set up efficient operational systems. Think of it as laying down the tracks for your business locomotive. Branding. Your business's superpower. Your brand is your business's superhero outfit. It's what sets you apart in a crowded marketplace. Build a strong brand identity that resonates with your audience. Think of it like telling your story through visuals and messages. And when it comes to marketing, think online. Social media, content, engagement. That's how you connect with your customers. Training and thriving. Here's the scoop: franchisors aren't just handing over the keys and leaving you to figure it out. They offer training and support to set you up for success. Imagine it as your business boot camp. Ongoing training, mentorship, and connecting with fellow franchisees are your secret ingredients for growth. Scaling for success. You've got one thriving franchise unit. Time to think bigger. Franchises are like seeds. You plant one, and it can grow into a garden. Scaling means expanding to new locations. Be ready to adapt, innovate, and seize new opportunities. It's like leveling up in a video game. Each new level brings new challenges and rewards. Wrapping up your franchise adventure. In a nutshell, you're now equipped with the essentials to kickstart your franchise journey. From picking the right franchise to navigating legal waters, you're set to conquer the franchise universe. Don't let those dreams simmer, take action. And hey, if you enjoyed this guide, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep rocking that entrepreneurial spirit.